Dzień dobry, nazywam się Andrzej Dziedzic. Pracuję dla firmy ProAudio-AVT. Z przyjemnością chciałbym przedstawić Państwu firmę AtlasIED, naszego nowego dostawcę systemów nagłaśniania głównie przestrzeni publicznych. Zapraszam Państwa.
I'm Ivan Schwartz with AtlasIED. I'm the Director of Consultant Relations for the company. At ISE2026 this year, we're showing our latest Dante-enabled PoE++ loudspeakers, all using the ISO driver design that we designed a few years ago in conjunction with Fyne Audio. So this is the Atlas+Fyne series of loudspeakers. We've got some of our in-ceiling models here. We've also introduced our surface mount with and without the PoE++ circuitry in them. So what makes these unusual for being active loudspeakers is that we have a PoE++ amplifier card in them. It allows us to get up to 90 watts of network power, so we can really utilize the output capabilities of these drivers. What we have here is our software, our Discover tool for the product. We can look at a number of loudspeakers basically that are online, and then we can select those loudspeakers and gain control of the input equalization. We can see our various settings here. We can select whether we want it to automatically adjust its power level, or we can select specifically PoE+, and you'll see two different types of PoE++, essentially either roughly 60 watts or 90 watts of network power. You'll notice also there's a mode here for 2 channels of amplification. And if you look on the back of our loudspeakers, again, whether it's a ceiling product or a surface mount product, we're able to split that amplifier. So let's call it 90 watts. We can derive 2 45-watt channels and be able to power the loudspeaker and run a line out of it to another passive loudspeaker. This gives us a lot of capability in terms of different types of applications and installations. A number of other features here. We've got a device locate where we can flash so you can see what loudspeaker you're working on and equalizing and such. We can turn the LED on and off or dim it. LED's mostly there to be a troubleshooting tool while you're commissioning a system, but it can be used also to indicate that the loudspeaker is on. So again, these are all Dante enabled. Essentially, you just have one network connection. We're deriving our PoE power there, but then also our audio signal is coming through Dante. Of course, you use Dante Device Manager here to assign what Dante input goes to one Dante output. There's a number of different areas where they're often used. One that's very popular is where you need a lot of separate audio channels. So say a black box theater or an immersive experiential project where you have a separate channel of audio for every loudspeaker. These are ideal because it eliminates the need for potentially dozens of channels of amplification in a rack. And that's where the other power of this is that the network switches could be located a ways away. We can have all these products on the network and be able to assign different inputs to different loudspeakers, making it very easy to reconfigure a sound system in a room or in a facility. So this really appeals to a lot of different applications, everything again from experiential use. It could be a simple boardroom system or something as advanced as extending the capabilities of a large airport or transportation system. So we're pretty excited about this, and we'll be bringing this technology into some other new products as well. For more information, go to AtlasIED.com.
Mam nadzieję, że obejrzany materiał spodobał się Państwu. Dziękujemy za odwiedzenie naszych stoisk i zapraszamy do kontaktu z ProAudio-AVT we Wrocławiu.